Hello students. In the previous class we have learnt skeleton and why bones are important. And today we are going to learn about the major bones in our body. The human skeleton has certain major bones which play an important role in the functioning of the body and in protecting the important organs of the body. The following are the major bones in our body: skull, jaw bones, backbone, rib cage, limbs, arms and legs, girdles. These are the important bones in our body. So today let's learn more about the major bones in our body. And today we learn only three major bones, that is skull, jaw bones and backbone. Skull. The skull is a hollow structure that surrounds and protects the brain. So what is the function of the skull? It protects the brain. The skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 flat bones of the skull are interlocked to form the head, and the remaining 14 bones of the skull together form the frame of the face. Here you can see 3 holes. The skull has holes for eyes and nose. Here also you can see the picture of skull. It supports the structure of the face and provides a protective cavity for the brain. The human skull is the bony structure that forms the head in the human skeleton. It supports the structures of the face and forms a cavity for the brain. It protects the brain from injury. The facial skeleton is formed by the bones supporting the face. Next, jaw bones. The bones that make up the jaw help us in biting and chewing food, speaking and yawning. So what is the function of jaw bones? Jaw bone help us in biting and chewing the food, speaking and yawning. For all these purposes, jaw bone help us. The lower jaw bone, also known as mandible. It forms the lower part of the skull. The upper jaw bone, known as maxilla, forms the major part of the center of the face. So here you can see two jaw bones, the upper jaw bone and the lower jaw bone. The lower jaw bone known as mandible and the upper jaw bone known as maxilla. The upper and lower jaw bones together form the structure of the mouth. The lower jaw bone or mandible is the only movable bone in the skull. 16 teeth are embedded in each jaw of an adult. The mandible or lower jaw bone is the largest, strongest and lowest bone in the human face. It forms the lower jaw and holds the lower teeth in place. It is the only movable bone of the skull. Next, backbone. The long bony structure of the skeleton is the backbone. It's also known as vertebral column. Another name of backbone is vertebral column. The backbone is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra. These small bones are linked together like a chain. They allow us to bend and twist our back. The backbone is a series of separate bones that runs from the base of your neck all the way down your back. Then what is the function of this backbone? These bones serve the primary purpose of protecting the spinal cord, which is a crucial part of the nervous system. It serves as a pillar to support the body's weight and to protect the spinal cord. So the backbone is one of the most important structure of our body. It's made up of bones, muscles and tissues. It's also called the spinal column, spinal, vertebral column, like that. The backbone runs along our back and protects the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. It takes messages from the body to the brain and from the brain back to the body. So these are the three major bones in our body: skull, jaw bones and backbone. The other major bones we will study in the coming classes. And today's your homework is read page number 11 and 12 and paste the picture of skeleton, human skeleton in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.